the best in the future.
Thanks a lot.
Vaidi has been a quiet but I think an integral member of this team. He brought a certain freshness to the team, and I think overall the environment in the finance department improved. A person who has been greatly instrumental in helping Vaidi is my man here, Mr. K. Parthasarathi, KP as we know him. Well, things change in life, people move on.
Yeah.
So
The show must go on.
show will go on, and I think the show has been going on pretty well.
Yeah.
And this year we will hopefully meet and maybe cross our targets. So God bless us all, God bless you,
Thank you, sir.
and we wish you all the best in your future,
Yeah.
and may you continue to shine wherever you are, and keep in touch with us.
Yeah, definitely.
And we hope, like our good wishes go with you, we hope your good wishes will always stay with
Yeah,
us.
definitely, sir.
And you will always have a special place in your heart for Hansa events, Hansa Retail, Hansa PR, and the whole of the Hansa group,
Yeah.
Bedsell, etc., etc. So God bless you and all the best to you.
Thank you, sir.
And would you like to cut the cake and then say something to us? So we wish you all the best. The first piece is for you.
First piece is for you. That is for you.
Malay?
Sharmila.
Come in it. Because of Vaidi, all you guys are.
Abdul, sir, Abdul.
Abdul. I forgot. KP reminded me.
Lakshmi ki tarah.
Sujit, one important
One
point
important
which-
factor I missed out. It is because of Vaidi that we are in this building.
Yeah.
Yes.
So,
I appreciate
making that happen. I think he led from the front when it came to that. Ably assisted by Shoma and Abdul and whoever else. So thanks for that.
I think people who don't know, he's seen more than 60 places
Yes.
before we finalize on this.
And so thank you very much for bringing us to this very lovely place, lovely office.
Today exactly it's 1 year. We had started our search for Hansa office on 2nd of April, if you remember. 1st of
year.
April you joined,
Yeah.
evening we
So
were
you
called
started
for a
torturing him from second April.
And finally succeeded after 1 year in getting rid of him. Now, KP, would you like to say something?
No,
Lakshman,
I don't want to
Issue
say.
No, please say something. What shit is this here?
He's going because of you people harassed him. Asking money, vendor. I don't know.
KP, be serious. Say something nice about it.
I want to say one thing that he is now going to the Middle East, I was told. So luckily he'll be out of all tax, whatever, which will be a good relief for a finance fellow. Then where he is going to Middle East, there's no finance problem. So he'll be without that finance trouble. So I wish him all success in future. One small advice, I want him to speed up his culture, nature, whatever.
But working out there, the culture also is.
Culture is different.
Culture is
He'll
different.
be dealing with all kinds of very affluent people, rich people, some sheikhs, some etc.
Yeah, that's what.
So you can shake it up with them.
Somebody else. Send some tips. Send some tips.
We don't mind our money, it just goes everywhere.
Sujit, would you like to
Thanks Vaidi for one is he broke the culture of finance not being part of our activities.
Yes.
Vaidi's always been there for every activity that we did and with complete enthusiasm. And we're very happy that you've been part of it. You silently went about doing your job, which is finding places, offices and all of that. And while we gave you a lot of stress for a person who's just come in, you still never, you've always maintained your cool, you never been angry on anyone. It's a great feat, and so these are certain qualities that we really liked about you, and we will miss that. I wish you all the best on behalf of Hansa.
Thank you.
certainly for bringing down the stress levels in finance department and also amongst people. People are not stressed vis-a-vis finance. I think the interaction between the two, between finance and the rest of the Hansa Vision teams, I think have been much better. And thank you for that.
Thank you.
Anybody else? Shobha, say something.
Yeah, I would like to say something because after Venkatesan, he is the only finance man who was really gelling well with admin person. And for me, he is really a very amiable person, a good friend. And during the 7 months of hunt for the new Hansa office, I came to know a lot of good things about Vaidi. So I wish you all the best.
Yeah, thank you.
And I think and I hope that you will do well wherever you go.
Yeah, thanks a lot.
Congrats.
Thank you.
Anybody else want to say anything? Anybody
From the
else?
finance team.
Finance team? Where is finance team?
Lakshmi.
Lakshmi.
Here, Anna.
Sharmila.
Hiding very nicely.
Now,
Now's the time. Lakshmi,
yes, sir.
you want to say something?
Say
He
something.
insists to say something. He insists to say something. Yeah.
Come
Come on, come on, come on.
Say something.
Come.
That is okay.
Don't look at him and say
You are meeting him all the way.
okay, where are the rest of the finance team?
Anna.
Come on. Sharmila, say something.
Abdul.
Abdul, say something. Come on, Abdul. अरे कुछ तो बोलो.
Magya.
It is very rude not to say.
Magya.
Should say something. Come on.
Magya, come.
Come on, Abdul. Fast.
Wish you all the best.
Magya.
हिंदी में भी बोल सकते हैं.
I really appreciate the time that I have spent working with him. Thank you for all help and guidance. Wish you all the best.
Thank you.
Very helpful and supportive person, and he always help us in our difficulties and in work. All the best.
Thank you.
Purva, come on, you have to say something.
Okay, I would say something now.
Sure.
Being in an advertising agency, it was a new experience for me, new learning experience. So where everything is based on client collections and then vendor payouts. So then it's been a good journey. So I have learned different divisions, different types of businesses, where all varieties are involved. Mainly like event management company, whatever happens behind the scenes. So I came to know how we plan it. We have a pre-PS, we have a system. How we follow it, we make our margins. So that's been a good this, and it's been even good that events has crossed some 20 crores up till this month, last month. So then I hope going ahead it crosses many more milestones. That's all.
Thank you.
Anybody else wants to say anything else?
Nigel.
Anybody wants to wish him?
Varidhi.
All the best.
Yeah. So,
Best friend of,
yes, absolutely. I think since Vedi sir came in, I think my level of interactions in finance has increased much, and he's done a really good job in setting the team and managing the people and how we deal with finance. We've had lots of troubles this year in terms of funds and various other things, and he's helped us, and he's found some way or the other, if not one, at least part of the amounts have been coming out, and that's been really nice, as in to help us in these stressful situations, and you helped us plan ourselves. So
Thank you.
it's a nice, you put in a couple of nice systems in. It's difficult for us to take it, but I'm sure over a period of time it will help us. So great initiative, right? Thank you.
Thank you.
Well, good. Thank you.
All
Thank
the
you,
best.
Vaidi. All the best.
All the
God
best,
bless
Vaidi.
you. Fly. And oh, sorry. And this is from all of us a very small token so that you can script your new success story with some panache.
yeah, it is also.
No photo we're taking KP. There was money spent on this.
Supporting a client का support कर रहे हैं.
Okay, good. All the best.
Come on, take Barman and
ये बोला चाहते
हाँ.
ये देखना